Hello, this is Jeanette Garrett with FIS. I'm the Vice President of Debit and ATM Strategy, and I'm sharing with you today about FIS Digital Issuance. FIS Digital Issuance is the ability for issuers, debit and credit issuers, to provide card credentials to their cardholders in advance of receiving the plastic in the mail. Or even in instant issuance environments, this can be utilized as well in lost or stolen. We are maintaining the same PIN with the physical plastic that the cardholder will receive, making this an easy transition for your cardholders to be able to access their card credentials in advance instead of waiting on plastic. As a financial institution, you'll have the ability to order your card with no impact to your existing process. The physical plastic would still be delivered to your cardholder the same way. We're now giving you the ability to access those card credentials in advance to be able to provide those out through a digital experience, going to a mobile wallet. This will restrict card transactions for card not present until the physical card is actually received and activated. The cardholder will be able to use and transact through mobile payments until they receive that plastic. Well, FIS is providing this in two different options. FIS Mobile App, if you are a mobile app user through FIS, we have the card provisioning capability for you already built in for Apple Pay. The other option is for Code Connect. So FIS Code Connect is our API catalog. This allows you to be able to receive the information using our webhooks and APIs to deliver that into your own mobile experience, into your own digital channels. Here's an example of the process for a cardholder either coming into a financial institution or through an online option and inside a mobile app that whatever the experience is that you would like to create, that would allow them to select their card, provision this into an Apple Pay example that is provided here, and then it is ready for the cardholder to use through Apple Pay at that point. Here's a flow of the impact or the process for a cardholder coming into the financial institution, or again, through a website that you provide. And you're entering the information into the card management system as you do today. This card management system process is not impacted for your physical plastic to be still to be delivered. Code Connect will provide the information out to either you as the financial institution or to your vendor to be able to provide those card credentials out to the cardholder. I'm going to show you a short video now of the experience inside our FIS mobile wallet. Inside the wallet of FIS mobile app, you will see that you can select a card and choose to provision that to Apple Pay. You accept the terms and conditions. Once your card is added, you will receive a successful message. And once that successful message has been received, you can go into the mobile wallet on that device and see the card is there and ready for use immediately. Again, this provides a great experience for your cardholder for a lost or stolen or a new account that's being opened. So thank you for your time today and look forward to sharing more with you about digital issuance in the future.